I don't accept these results. They were standing. Kadanga went and hid all the voters. Now this is what I cannot accept, including the RDC, including the assistant RDC, including even registrar himself. They were all fair to know where the candidates were there. They decide to carry everybody. So I am not going to accept these results. If they wanted a fair election, they should have allowed us to talk to our people. But now they went there, the exam of the chairperson, they got 300,000 in their phones. And we have all the evidence where people were locked at the gate. So I don't accept these results. Take it, and I'm going to write a petition to the Electoral Commission, Mr. Tanga Odoi. Thank you very much. If you can accept, if you can listen to what I'm saying, those are the facts, and we are going to put it down, and we are going to write a petition against this election of Agago district. So I'm ready for that.
Florence. Okay. I got Rose. I got Brenda.
Well, a big regards to you. The election is going on well, but there are people who are complaining. For example, in the chairperson of the party, Abalo, Lillian, raised a serious concern that the election were rigged. So what can you say about that one?
I am John Botsfire, Assistant RDC. We have been monitoring this election. The election has been going on smoothly. It is difficult to tell whether the election has been reached or not, because we did not see any indiscipline in this election. Therefore, I could say the election is going on well, unless somebody petition. Then we would say the tribunal would decide on what to do. But as for now, the elections are going on well, with the exception of the one of the women's league, which is going to be taken for the second time, because the registrars were not clear on how many votes a candidate got.
Well, thank you. Now, your general perspective about this election, how are you seeing it going on?
The election of this year is different from all other elections. You know, as NRM, we have 4 pillars, and one of the pillars is democracy. Today, the people of Agago are exercising their power. They are exercising their power according to the 4 pillars of the NRM. And generally, people are calm, people are happy. If you fail, you accept. I have never complained. I have never got any complaint from other candidates who have failed. They say sincerely they have failed. So that means the election is still going on.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, a very good afternoon to all the viewers this afternoon. heated campaign and election of the Youth League for chairpersonship in Agago district was also so tough between two contestants, that is Ochaka Jime and Adong Colin Okidi. After the voting, Adong Colin obtained the number of votes of 76, then Ochaka Jime obtained 54. But afterward, complaint began that Ochaka Jime's camp is complaining that the numbers of voters have exceeded 130. But when they tally the two, it brings the total number of 130. But they are saying other members have not reported. So they want the vote to be revoted, the election to be done again, which is making the youth department in Agago to stand still. And as we talk now, the youths are saying they will not vote. They will not continue with voting other members which are still on the way to come, because all the 5 positions has to be filled. But now only chairpersonship has made many people to stand still, and most of the youth are saying they are not going back to vote because they have already finished the voting. So that is the current situation in the youth department to vote their youth chairperson, the Youth League National Registered Movement. So that is what I can say for now. My name is Banka from Batoro. Thank you for all the viewers.
Thank you. No, we get it. We might invite you. You are going to go on. We are going to go on. That is what we are long man. They can do no more. Exactly. You don't go to Baganda. You go. No more. No. We were alone. We'll damn you. We we'll put away your work with Damien when you check a pier of death. I come down here, check a pier of death. Think you know your kind of distrust better than a death. You got a chair, I pull for a pair. They don't involve in bed, but I'm one. So you learn young man, you're me work when you check a pier of real bitch. Now, Balberty will down car. At first, it was 76, but don't call him Benamich, Pierre Bear, then for charging him with Pierre Bidjan. Now, all we come down, we are resolving, we are therapy. Now, I come when I was normal detail. I don't call this Kidney, but when down when I went to the kick on. Do 72, now for child maintaining 56, 54 men. The law on a query will you over 20 down Pierre, you may check the Pierre, you are bitching. Young way. Now, you will it down and when. So, if you want to die any, you are me a couple, or me a damn you check Pierre of Chelican. You go and check Pierre there. They want me a gift pick a quanta, a copy of your one phone, pay the work a quanta chair. Now, I don't kill it. Why don't you kill it? we come me sub county zweng alege no kwa ndan wa bija weng ko kwa ndan bija bichi ke rio dio mana wi rio gene mai bole kwini indio ku ja bichi uchi rie kito kwar na police bu kwa na me gadi ndano ka nyi no pe me pe ka te do me picture line ko pe le mano be pe ma pura e cha
no ko ke in police when you get
in police we come papa me pa bulo ni mi na ngari pe bore so ka da cha na ti won kom ko ka cha ro me lo ko re ka mi ne le ngo da na chet pe ga mi ro bi da ndi yang wen ken yang wen so we da me bol ko we mi chet pe ro ko ka re ni de gle
Dia cerca ieri, no ken era ko cer ieri.